taking flight. River Ridge Academy's new aerial drone team is reaching new heights, offering middle school students hands-on experiences with coding, piloting, and teamwork, all while gearing up for competitive drone events.
I really like to fly it because I like the feeling like I'm doing it by myself without the coding, and I'm not the best at coding. It takes me a while and a lot of trial and error. I like the feeling when I go through a hoop and everyone's like, it was perfect. It was nice.
Flying in the air is a cool thing. You get the interactivity with the actual drone to where you can test, let's see if this works. Oh, that's cool. And it just goes through my mind where, this is a really fun thing to do.
Students are hard at work preparing for upcoming competitions. They'll compete in 2 challenges, starting with a skills course where pilots guide their drones through obstacles, testing speed, control, and accuracy.
I like skills because we get to test our skills out on different obstacle courses and see what we did wrong and expand on that.
For skills, you go through things, you have to go around things, up over things. There's a lot of strategic landing places.
The second challenge focuses on teamwork, with multiple drones in the air at the same time, working together to knock down and move balls around the course.
There's 2 drones on the course at once, and you gotta knock these little ping pong sized balls off of these pillars and stuff with the wind of the drone and get them to this area on the other side of the course.
The drone team is preparing students to work with cutting-edge technology that could one day lead to careers in engineering, aviation, or robotics.
Drones are kind of cool because the students get to become pilots essentially and fly drones and compete with other schools and other teams from around the state and the region. It just kind of gives them an opportunity to do something that's kind of STEM focused that they can then take to a career maybe in the future, maybe flying drones commercially or maybe flying drones in the military. So it's just a good opportunity for them to engage in a real world activity and be competitive.
12 students are part of the school's aerial drone team. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.